Hi, I'm Imani Robinson, and I just did the homeowner prep tour, and it was amazing. I learned so much about what it takes to be a homeowner. It was just such a smart tour because we actually got to see different properties while we were learning about how to own a home. The best part for me were learning about what I need to do to be a homeowner. I would definitely recommend this tour to anyone, first-time home buyer wanting to buy a home. One part that was really good is that we actually had a house inspector with us, so we really know what to look for when we're looking at a home. I have all of the information that I need to be able to become a homeowner. Very excited.